What's up, everyone? It is Christian from RackNerdTV. Quick question for you. Have you ever built something with AI and then realized that you had no idea where to actually host it? Because that's happening to a ton of people right this very moment. AI has made it incredibly easy to build. You can open up ChatGPT, Claude, Cursor, Replit, or whatever tool you prefer, describe what you want, and within minutes, you've got a working app, a landing page, a dashboard, or even a full tool. But here is the part that almost nobody talks about. Once you build it, where does it actually live? In this video, we're gonna break that down. And more importantly, why a VPS might be one of the smartest tools that you can have in your stack right now if you're building with AI. Let's start with the problem. A lot of people are calling this vibe coding right now. Whether you like the term or not, the trend is real. More people are building more projects than ever before, but building is only half the job. At some point, you have to actually deploy. You need somewhere to run your front end, your back end, your database, your APIs, your background jobs, all of it. And this is where most people get stuck. The default move is usually to reach for platforms like Vercel, Supabase, or Render. And to be fair, those are great tools. If you're working on a small project with minimal traffic, they work really well. But the problem shows up when you're building your second project and your third, your fifth. Now you've suddenly got one platform for your front end, another for your back end, another for your database, another for storage, and maybe another for background jobs. Each one comes with its own pricing, its own limits, its own upgrade path. What started out as free quietly turns into multiple monthly subscriptions. And that's where a VPS changes the equation. With a VPS, you're working with one virtual private server that you fully control. Instead of paying per project or per platform, you can run multiple projects on a single server for one predictable cost. You can host your portfolio site, a landing page, a Node app, a Python app, a WordPress site, an API, even a bot or database, all on the same machine. That's the key idea. One server, one bill, multiple projects. Now, beyond pricing, there is another big advantage here. When you're using hosted platforms, there are always limitations. They support certain runtimes, restrict background processes, or limit how you handle databases and long-running tasks. That's the trade-off for convenience. With a VPS, you are in control. You can install whatever your project needs. Node, Python, PHP, Docker, MySQL, Postgre, Redis, you name it. You're not trying to fit your project into a platform. You're shaping the server around the project. And that is especially important with AI-generated code because every project can be completely different. Now, here is something that most people don't realize. AI has made it so easy to generate code, but deploying that code is still a skill. And it's actually becoming more valuable. Whenever you start using a VPS, you naturally learn things like connecting via SSH, managing files, setting up domains, configuring SSLs, restarting services, and troubleshooting when something breaks. These aren't flashy skills, but they are the difference between I built something and I actually launched something. And that matters when you're freelancing, building a startup, or just working on side projects. Because at the end of the day, anyone can prompt an AI, but not everyone can take that output and run it in production. And that's exactly what we focus on here at RackNerdTV, helping you go from just building to actually deploying and managing real projects. So if that's something that you want to learn, make sure that you're subscribed. Now, if you're ready to get started, this is where RackNerd comes in. At RackNerd.com/specials, you will find VPS plans that are perfect for projects like this. You get predictable pricing, no surprise charges, and full root access so you can run whatever you want. You could host your main site, a client demo, an API, and even staging environments all from one server. And that is really valuable here. It's not just about saving money, it's about having your own space on the internet where you can build, experiment, break things, fix things, and actually learn how everything works. So here's the takeaway. AI makes it easier than ever to build, but it doesn't solve where your projects live after you build it. A VPS does that. and it gives you the flexibility to keep building without stacking more and more subscriptions every time you have a new idea. If you want to check it out, head over to RackNerd.com/specials. The link will also be in the description down below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow RackNerdTV for more tutorials on VPS hosting, Linux, and building with AI. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.